What is up, YouTube? It's Fishing with Ed here, and we're at the Small Creek again. And today I'm not gonna go fancy. I'm just gonna use some bread with some garlic powder on it and see if I can catch anything. Number one. Let's get this little guy in the water. There he goes. Alright guys, that was my second fish I caught. And yeah, let's just keep going. Let's go back to fishing. Alright guys, that was fish number 3 for me. Way better than the last video, if you haven't watched that yet. Yeah, I just want to say thank you to everybody that subscribed and watched my last video. And please keep watching all my other videos. Alright guys, we're going to be going to the chest cam now and see if I can catch anything so you guys can see maybe a little bit better. Guys, so yeah, let's go. Do a cast here. Oh yeah, guys, we just had a big chungus on. Alright guys, that's all the time I got today. So please go like and subscribe, and I hope that you enjoyed the video.